Repeat.
I will play with the Ramadan sir. He is the best player. Yes. Yes. Huh? Marwadi
English में बोल English में.
Speak in English in front of the English teacher. How can we speak in the Hindi and the Marwadi language? We don't have the good language man. Don't laugh.
I don't English.
Don't laugh in front of me. Do you know who I am? You are going to become the state level or national level player in the incoming time. You must learn the English language. So how can you play the national level game without having the knowledge of the English language? You are speaking the Marwadi language. How can you become the player of the national level?
What?
What?
No.
Sister.
Oh, three. Come here. Oi, come here, enough. Palak.
If you have no knowledge about the English language, how can you do to progress in your life? Few of them are shut the gate and just playing because of the fear of the English language. Did you understand? What did I say? What? Yes. What did I say? three of you are brothers and sisters. Are you cousins?
No.
From the different districts or from the one district?
Real?
Yes, you are the real brother and sister. Yes, and she is. She is your sister or not?
No.
Yes. No.
Yes, but
So this is my suggestion to all of you the players. As Ramota Aji sir, giving a lot of guidance, motivation, a lot of blessings related to badminton, gaming to all of you. But it is not enough and sufficient to having the knowledge about badminton game. You must have knowledge adequate and the sufficient knowledge about language skills and the communications. When you become the big player, your coaches, other players who will come different part of country, they will communicate with you, they will talk with you. Hey, if you have no knowledge about language, how can you talk and communicate and converse with those players? And you will go down in front of them. We don't know the language. How can we communicate with them? So it is a big problem I noticed in few of the personalities and character today. You must flourish. You must do a lot of hard working, diligence, dedication to learn the English language for the bright future. I can see, and today I noticed all of three players. You were playing, this boy was playing with me, and I noticed the talent and the potentiality which game badminton. He can perform better on the right platform in the upcoming time. But without having the knowledge about the English language and other languages, we speak at the national level, so we are not capable players at any stage also. Did you understand what I said? So you must. Yes, you must, three of you must take the place. Three of must take the sure that we will surely learn the English language. Today, from today, since today we will do a lot of practice. We will be just give the 3 and the 4 hours to learn the English language, and we will just make our strength like the communication in the English language for the bright future. She speaks in the Marwadi language, but she has good knowledge about the English language because today I taught the one chapter. That there are first chapter of 6th class, so she studied very well and she translated the line in English to the Hindi. I was so much amazed and surprised. She only in the 6th class, but she has a knowledge about the travel distance like, but not having practice about the language. You cannot speak the very well in English language. So needs to be give the focus and concentration, attention towards your study more. I am not giving you any kind of advice and the suggestion that you must give all of your studies related to the English subject, but more attention. You must give the more attention towards your badminton game. But like badminton game, you must give the attention towards your communication skill. When your communication skill will be increased, your possibilities will bright, will be fine in the future time, in the upcoming time. So, in which class do you study in the 6th? Very good. And in which class do you study? 10th standard. Did you give the exam of the 10th standard or next year you will sit in this exam? Did not give the exam of the 10th standard?
I am 10th class में exam
Have you given the exam? Yes. And how much percentage will you obtain in the 10th class according to your expectation?
About 70.
70%. This is good. And what kind of the subject will you take when you go to the 11th class next year?
Arts.
Art subjects. And what is your purpose behind art subject to choose and opt as the optional subject in the 11th class after passing the 10th class?
Political.
Political science and other two optional subjects. There are series optional subjects. So one the political science and another two Islam.
Geography, political history.
History, political, geography, to having three subjects in your optional subject like the political science, like the history and the geography. Why do you want to opt these three subjects rather than the other subjects like science, mathematics, commerce, and other subjects also? Why do you want to just opt and select the art subject in the class?
I am a player.
Yes.
So, easy subject is arts.
Yes, so you don't want to choose the difficult path. You want to choose the very easy path.
Because I am play badminton.
Yes, I can.
My bright future is badminton play.
Yes,
playing
but
badminton.
along with the badminton, studies should be remain as priority. You can't quit. You can't abdicate and you can't give up your study. You must give the priority along with badminton to your study also. I can surmise, I can understand your real intention to choose the art subject, as you mentioned recently that I want to give my more and more strength to badminton playing in upcoming times rather than study. So you want to choose the art subject. That's right. I am also a student of the art subject, and having the art subject in my life, I am the 22nd grading subject teacher because I gave a lot of concentration on it. Also, art subject is also good. No problem. You must take the art subject, prepare better, best of your luck, and for the future time also. And you are hard working. My guidance and the motivation will always follow you. And in your 6th class and in this class, do you study? 11th class, yes. And this year you gave the exam of the 11th class, 10th class. But he is studying in the 10th class exam has given by him and also given by you also. You told me that I have given the exam of the 10th class.